Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I've got a different setup again today, and that is because I've got the luxury of a bit of UK sunlight. Now it's actually snowing currently in the UK, so it doesn't look very nice outside, but inside it's quite nice to have a bit of daylight coming through the window. And like I've said before, silver looks the best in natural daylight. You can showcase it quite well in diffused light and light boxes and things like that, but it truly does look the best when it's in just daylight, not direct sunlight, just daylight. So let's get straight into the video. For those of you that are bought from this person will know where this has come from by the PO box. For those of you that haven't, you'll soon see. Now this arrived today. I ordered this yesterday, so it arrived really quickly, and it was purchased from Backyard Bullion's second-hand buying service. Now he offers a service for those of you that haven't heard of it already, and it's basically he will sell gold or silver on your behalf for a small fee. Now I believe when he sells silver, if he sells an ounce of silver, he'll charge you £1 for selling it per ounce. So really competitive prices, and he seems to sell things very quickly. Whenever something's listed on his website, before I have time to even think about it or pull the trigger, I go back on the next day and it's already sold. There was this Barclays bar on there. It was either a 10 ounce or a 20 ounce. I can't remember exactly now, but it was a big bar of silver and it said Barclays on it, Barclays Bank. Now, I did a bit of research on it and I was trying to find out the kind of history of it, and it appears that they were given to employees many years ago as gifts. So it's a very vintage bar. It has a kind of backstory, numismatic value and all the rest of it. So I went back onto his site the following day to buy it, and it'd already been sold, and that was only in the space of a few hours between me seeing it for sale and doing the research. So you do have to be quick. His stuff doesn't hang around for long. Now, on his last video, he showed that he had this for sale on his website. Now, I jumped straight over. I thought I'm not going to make the same mistake as I've done in the past and think about it. So I jumped straight over and brought it, and I'm quite happy with the price I paid. These are still selling for around about £350 and up. Now, for a 10 ounce bar, that would be a bit of a premium, but for 10 ounce coins, that is kind of the sort of price you're looking to pay, because you do pay a bit more of a premium for a coin, especially as it's my country's currency. It won't contain capital gains tax, so obviously they hold their premiums even more so. Now, I saw this for £315 on his site, and like I said, they sell for £350 and upwards. So even if I was to buy this just to sell on, it still worked out as a good investment in my opinion. And this will be my first ever 10 ounce silver coin. Now, you guys know that I love to stack 10 ounce bars. They're my favorite bars to stack. I think they're a great size. They're very liquid. They're easy to get hold of. And I just think they're a great kind of nice price point. So it will be finally time to add a 10 ounce coin to my stack. And here it is. Look at that. Wow. It's got £10 face value, really thick, a lot thicker than I thought it'd be, and it feels, for some reason, it feels heavier than a 10 ounce bar, maybe because the weight's spread out more, but it feels really nice in the hand. Look at that. The Queen's Beast Completer from 2022. Got all of the Queen's Beasts around it. Now, I've got a couple of 2 ounce versions of this coin. I've also got a 1 ounce gold version of this coin, and I think it's amazing how they've managed to get so much detail into every animal that's on the coin. Especially if you see the kind of 1 ounce gold coin, which is obviously the smaller ones out of the ones that I have, to still see the detail of all the animals on there is just amazing. I think it's really, really well designed. Just a great coin. And look at that, 10 ounces. It takes up my hand. I haven't exactly got small hands, and that takes up my whole hand. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, you have future investments to thank for me picking up this coin, because he picked up a 1 kilogram Silver Britannia, and I thought that coin looked amazing. So I thought it was my turn to add a huge coin to the stack. Obviously, this isn't as big as the 1 kilogram, so I can only imagine how good that feels in the hand, because I haven't got any 1 kilogram silver coins in my stack yet. But look at that. Absolutely gorgeous piece of silver. And like I said, you can actually make out every single animal very, very clearly all the way around it. So superb design. Love these Queen Beasts completer coins. It'll be really interesting to see if they bring out a Tudor Beast completer coin. Now, I know that's quite a few years away, because the Tudor Beast is only in the 4th coin stage, I believe, of a 10 coin series. And the cases that have arrived, I haven't got mine yet, but the cases that I've seen people unbox for the Tudor Beasts only contain 10 coins, which is a bit of a shame, because they missed a trick really with the Queen's Beast case. They could have done an extra one in the middle for the completer, but I guess that was kind of an afterthought. But you'd think they would have learnt their lesson on the Tudor Beasts, and they would have made the case have 11 spaces, because then even if they didn't have a Tudor Beast completer coin in their current plan, it gives them the option to add it. So maybe they've missed a trick there. Maybe they're not planning to do a Tudor Beasts coin, completer coin in the future, but I hope it looks even half as good as this, because this just looks amazing. And to be fair, I can't see any milk spots, which is a bit crazy to say when you're buying silver from the Royal Mint, because it's kind of a given normally when you get coins, silver coins from the Royal Mint. So yeah, gorgeous coin, gorgeous piece of silver. Let me know what you think about this coin in the comments section. Do you have any 10-ounce coins in your stack? Do you think they contain too much of a premium to make them a worthwhile investment? I'll be interested to hear your thoughts. Like I said, this is my first 10-ounce coin, but it looks absolutely gorgeous. Really, really pleased I picked it up. Thank you very much, Backyard Bullion, for the quick turnaround and for listing this on your site. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.